capture. I shut it off real quick. And let's power it back up. Taking a look at our graph, essentially made the same power, 238 pound-feet of torque, 215 horsepower. That's exactly where I'd expect it to be at. I didn't make any spark timing changes. It did make a little bit of a difference in power gain by going in and just kind of tweaking some of that fuel. Let's take a look at this. So let's go here, let's do Control Q, let's wipe everything out, Control Q again. Let's first look at our ECU Boost since we made that air mass change. And they're still overlaying on top of each other. That's perfect. That's actually not bad. I'm not gonna probably be worried about reducing our reported air mass in here. So again, if we reduce the value or increase the value, we can find that the ECU Boost here will be skewed and that air mass reporting will be wrong. We also can kind of take a look at here the airflow. It's showing here about 37 pound per minute. What we'll find is that we should theoretically be making the power, if we multiply this by 10, we should theoretically be making about that power on the dyno. We're 215 horsepower. We should be making 360, 370. So we're way off from where we should be at. That's okay, but just kind of using it as a guideline, that's going to give us the approximate. As long as our ECU Boost and our GM boost level here, or the map sensor readings, are going to be close, and they're going to be reporting pretty much identical, then we can use this as a multiplier by 10 to get us approximate horsepower that the engine's making. So in this situation, we're definitely way out. So our spark timing is still way too low. Let's do Control Q. Let's bump all that data off the screen. Let's go and evaluate this again. So RPM. Let's look at our knock threshold. Let's look at our knock data here. I'm just seeing if it knocked again. Looking at our data here. Looks like it shows a little bit right there. Maybe one or 2 points it shows. But our timing is still here, roughly 0. If we bring this back on screen, you see it's pretty flat here. It's roughly 0. So I'm not going to be worried about that. Let's go and take a look at our wideband factor and just make sure that looks okay. So we're going to go here to, let's just do our GM boost here, and I'll bring our wideband factor in. So looking here, still shows in this range. It's not too bad. It's off a few percent. That's 5% here. It does show right here that it's lean. Our wideband factor here at roughly 55. That's going to show that we need to maybe add here 10%. And then as we get up in engine RPM here, it's still showing that it might actually be a little bit rich. So we have to tweak it a little bit. And right here, it also might be needing some fuel taking out. There's 6% we have to take out. So let's use our trace feature. So our trace data log. It's going to be saying right here we actually need to reduce our values just slightly. So let's grab this range. I'll go right click here. That's showing I have to take out here about 5-6%. Let's make a small change here. So let's go right click. Let's do multiply values by. Let's do 0.96. Let's take out 4%. Just make a smaller change. I don't want to make a big change. And then let's just kind of go here. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here. And you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.